Heroes Comic Con at Market and I'm gonna be asking people to play PUBG.
We would like to call, of course, with our certificate of appreciation, the face and our judge for here. Alright, so I don't know before, I would like to ask to make more of the Alright, so are you original? Mahirap na, dun sa management.
Tawag dito actually, siguro pwede mo sabihin no? Performing as best that I can in every event that I show up as a form of respect to the organizers na nag-invite sa akin. And of course, yun na, abangan nyo na lang ako as I become the main judge for Heroes Con P-Pop Idol Search sa Comic Con no? Manila. Yes, abangan nyo na lang yun. And of course, if you really want to find more updates, you can follow me
When they announced, thank you, brother Ray Cariaso. Again, this is our P-Pop artist, guys. So you can follow them on all social media pages. Yan. Punta lang kayo sa ating Heroes Comic Con PH Facebook page. Yan, ipopost namin sila doon with their official Facebook pages para ma-follow nila nyo. But you can also follow Heroes Comic Con on all social media pages from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Trends, and then of course, YouTube. Again, guys, welcome to Heroes Comic Con.
Ay, go. Sige, retake, go. Sa dalawa pa. Last one. Ayan. The movie. Isa. Dalawa. Last one. One. Dalawa pa. Isa pa. Last one. Game. Isa. Ay, sorry po. Dalawa pa. 2. Last one.
Imagine ko lang ng Pogs. Parang Pogs lang to.
Ah.
Category guys.
Sa
Category. Yan. So, isang category guys. Kasama sa isa. Magkaiba po.
Dalawa.
Joint entry. 4 to 4. Market. Fast play. And of course, later on, why the Filipino charges and understand for the
Oh.
and then of course, we will Gratos Toyline here.
last one.
Yan. So, ang ating Filipino hero.
One.
And
Two.
of course, edition figure. Here guys. Again, if you want to purchase the last toy, ano yan? Kasi ang ating guys has a purchase this guys, yung ating limited edition. We have a few remaining right here that are available for purchase. So you can drop by at the Heroes Collectibles Toy Gallery. You can ask assistance. And again guys, all hand painted individually guys. They have COA, meron silang yung certificate of authenticity, and lahat po sila is signed by the creator of Again guys, this is our first Comic-Con for this year, so make sure to drop by here at Day 2. We are here up until tomorrow for Sunday. Yan, so punta-punta lang kayo, ikot-ikot lang kayo dyan sa ating. And of course guys, we will be our mga merchants. Yeah, so drop by na ngayon dito sa main activity area guys. This is all for free, alright? Again, all for free, wala the main activity area. Again guys, welcome to Heroes Comic-Con Review.
Dalawa pa. 2. Ay, malapit na yun. Jimmy Jagger. That's 1. 2. Last one. 3. Dapat nakatayo ka po.
Nakatayo ka lang. Pero mo na yan.
1. Dalawa pa.
Uy, bait ka niya no.
2. Last one. 3. Last one. Isa pa.
Dalawang sama figure. Now, what kind of three things? All you need to do is just answer. Ng Quadrados. Yan o yung nandyan, yung kanina ko na-announce.
Dalawa pa.
Sino ang designer or maker ng Quadrados?
Last one.
Ating Filipino heroes. Sino? Sino?
One.
Muzan Kibutsuchi. Alright? Pero yung pinaka-root Yashiki family. Ayan.
One.
Diba? Okay na kayo? Ready na kayo, ha? Promise, ha? Kasi kayo. Here at the main activity area for our heroes cosplay catwalk.
Last one.
And of course, guys, we would like to welcome Heroes Comic-Con PX Official. And of course, guys, welcome to Heroes Comic-Con Day 2.
Walk this way.
One. Dalawa pa. Dalawa. Two. Last one. Isa pa. Yan. One. Two. Three. One. Dalawa pa. Dalawa pa. One. Dalawa pa. Parang pogs lang ito eh. Two. Last one. One. Two. Three. One. Two. Three. One. Two trials pa. Two. Last one. Three. Game. One. Two. Last one. Three. Three. So marami nakapaglaro sa akin ng Duck G, and isa lang yung nakapagpatakot na. So isa lang yung nakagawa. And ako yun na. Pabo.
Hindi ba na lang yun? Yung mismo creator ng mga to, you can